Hi everybody. Well, I have little Ishii out. She was not having a good day yesterday at all. I went in to bring her out because I wanted to give her another feeder today actually. She did eat the first night here, which was wonderful and was really good to see. And I thought, well, you know, it's been 4 days and being just a little feeder that I offered her, I thought I would give her a bigger size meal today. Well, this girl decided she didn't want to come out, and of course, you know, I have all my snakes that are so easy breezy, couldn't care less about me actually getting them out at all. But this girl, she wasn't having a bar of it, and she got me quite well actually, even though it's blurring. But you know, I put that down to this journey for her was extremely stressful, and yeah, you know, I should have expected it, but I didn't even really think. She was just laying in her enclosure on a hammock, and I honestly okay, you can crawl onto that. But yeah, I just didn't even think. But I did get her out, and I did hold her for a little while, but I didn't hold her for very long. I just wanted her to just know that it's okay. And this morning, of course, I'm still in my pajamas, as you can see, but I don't want her disappearing down the back of the couch. You can take that tripod off, sweetie, okay? But yeah, this morning was it. It was time to get Ishii out, and much calmer, much easier going this morning. So I'm going to be spending a little bit of time with Ishii and get her very used to the fact that she will be coming out and that she will be handled and that it's not always feeding. She bit me with a feeding response. She bit and wrapped, even though she kept her tail end on the hammock, so she wouldn't release the hammock, but she wasn't going to release me either. But eventually, that is what she did. She did let go. Took her a little while, but she got the idea of I wasn't edible, and thank goodness she realised I was not edible. Now you're going to go through there, but that's okay. You can go through there. And as you can see, she's really more sort of in the interest of having a bit of an explore, just than being bothered with me. Just thought I'd do a quick little video of Car here. He just shared a couple of days ago. So he's looking much brighter, and I think he was beautiful even in shed, but he's certainly looking much brighter, and we can get a little bit better view of him now. You know, somebody pointed out, you know, they look like leopards, their spots, because they're just so covered in them. And he is, are you? He says, well, just let me climb up on that camera, please, because I like the camera. And I've actually got him out because I'm cleaning his little home for him at the moment, so even though I can't get, he's still a little bit flighty, and when I go in to get him out, boy oh boy, does he let me know that like he thinks he's the boss. And I just take my time and give him a moment to gather his thoughts and realize that it's me and it's okay and I'm not going to hurt him and it's all good. But there he is. Just a quick clip of car before, he's going to go back into his little home, which is quite a big home for a little boy, but he seems to be enjoying it and quite likes it in there, so that's good. But I do know that Oscar's going to be needing that bigger one, and you're going to manage his littler one. So now here's a little clip of Archie. All the little ones seems to have made a little mess for me today, so I thought while they're out I'd take the opportunity to just get a little video done with each of them. As you can see, Archie's got hold of his little security hide here. Well, he was sitting on top of it, so I just thought, well, what better way to get him out than just lift him up on his hide. If that's what he likes, then I'm okay with that. He's such a friendly little fellow anyway. I could have just picked him up, but it's okay bringing out his little hide. And of course now I'll have to clean up his little tub for him. Can we focus on your face, please? Be nice to focus on your face, but I often complain about the fact that I can't get this camera to actually focus on my snakes that well. They're always moving and changing positions and getting closer and moving further away, and my camera's already focused on a particular area of them. So anyway, like I said, just a quick video of Archie, and as you can see, he's doing really, really, really well.